Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to resize an image in Photoshop without losing quality. First, open your image in Photoshop. Important prep step. Right-click the image layer. Click Convert to Smart Object. This protects image quality. Now, go to the top menu. Click Image. Then click Image Size. The image size window opens. Make sure Resample is checked. Set the Resample method to preserve details. Now, change the width or height. Keep the chain icon linked to maintain proportions. Watch the resolution value. For print, use 300 pixels per inch. For web, 72 or 144 is fine. Click OK. Photoshop resizes the image cleanly. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.